Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to take you along as I decorate my porch for summer and clean it and do all of that. I'm really excited about it. I have not put up a video for a while, and I want to say I'm sorry about that. Things have just gotten a little crazy. I put on my communities tab. I had a little procedure and didn't go as planned. I'm still recovering from that almost 2 months later. I'm starting to feel better, but also May with kids was absolutely crazy. So thank you for being here if you're still here. I really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get this porch cleaned up. Alright guys, we are going to start by power washing. I mean, who doesn't love to power wash? I love it. I love it's one of those chores that's like you can see instant gratification, and I just love doing it. I can't be the only one. Anyway, as you can see here, I haven't shared this, but Aaron did build a porch on our front of our house. It is not 100% done, but we need to still add columns. We're gonna make those a little bit thicker, and then we're gonna add we have a stair that he made, but we need to make it a little bit better. But if I wait till everything is done, I will never be able to put out a video. So we're going with an 80% done here, and I really love how this porch turned out. We made it with the Trex decking, which honestly ended up being about the same as it would have if we did wood. So I thought it was a good price. And next I'm going to clean the glass of our door and then the glass of our lights on either side of the door. They just are covered in pollen, so everything needs a good cleaning. I will link the lights in the description box below. They're just from Home Depot. I adore these lights. I wish that we could put them on either side of our garage as well. We just need an electrician to come and wire that for us. But I think they're for the price, they're just so good. And I like that they're easy to clean because they are glass. So check the description box for anything I can link in this video. I will in the description box. Also, one other thing, if you're new here, my husband built our front doors, so I don't have a link for that. And the stain color is absolutely perfect on it, and I get asked this all the time, but I don't have that exact match either. This was a one-time thing, I think, because he just mixed a bunch of things together, and this is what it came out to, and it's perfection. So I'm sorry about that. Right, now that everything is cleaned off, I'm gonna work on my flowers. It's super windy here today, but I wanted to show you what I'm working with. I am going to use this as my centerpiece. It's I don't know, they told me that Jack Frost Brennera, the nursery told me that this would work. They have one similar at the nursery and I just love it. It's a window box. The only thing different is they used lavender, and I'm using these salvias because I couldn't find any lavender that was small enough to fit in this. Anyway, so I have some of this and those, and I'm gonna plant that up, and I'm gonna put it on the end over here. And then I recently picked up these black pots. I need to clean it off because I just sprayed it from the lawn, but from Target. And I am going to plop these beautiful little containers in there. I got these at Walmart of all places, and it's a part shade, and my now somebody's mowing the lawn. I'm sorry. Anyway, this is pretty much shade until late afternoon, and then it gets a little bit of sun, and then it's shaded again. So I think these will look perfect, and I was thinking of making my own, but I couldn't have bought all the flowers for $30. So I'm gonna just plop those in those black containers here, and then they'll flank either side of my porch over there, and I think it's gonna look really cute. If you're wondering why there's a hole there, we do have these. We need to put these together and create like a lid, because that's where our water thing is, and we wanted the porch to cover that, and so we still need to access it anyway. But everything is looking great. We still have a few things to finish on the porch, like we're making these columns a little bit bigger. We need to finish the stair, but if I keep waiting, then I'm never gonna pick it up, because that is life. Everything's like 80% done right now. So anyway, let's plant these up. I'm sorry it's so windy and the audio on that last clip was terrible, but I wanted to tell you guys something just from my experience. I've bought flowers for years. Every single year I buy flowers, as most of you probably do. Most of you might already know this, but last year I invested in nicer quality flowers from the garden center, like Proven Winners. That's pretty much all that I bought. And you guys, the performance was out of this world. They were still good at the end of October when I ended up having to throw them away. And I probably spent a little bit more money, but this year I didn't buy as many flowers, but I bought good quality flowers. I don't know, in my experience, they sure last such a lot longer. And I've also found that you don't need as many, because they get so big and fill in so beautifully that you can get less money. Anyway, that's my tip. You may not think that, but in my experience, that has been the case. All right, in full transparency, when I got this up onto my porch, I took everything out and redid it, and I added one more of the center flower because I had it and it needed it. So there's two of those, there's two of everything now, and I love how this turned out. I will definitely recreate this again, and probably in pots too, because I love the purple and the green and the white together. It's just so beautiful, and this doesn't even do it justice. Now for the fun part, we get to put everything back on the porch and make it look all pretty. And I got these metal planters from Target. I'll link them below. I think they are such a good quality and a good price, and they're tall, which I really like, because I wanted them to be a statement piece, and I do think that they definitely make a statement, especially with those beautiful pink, hot pink flowers. I had to pick up some new rugs for our front porch because The other ones were so trashed from the leaves and the dirt, and I've had it since before Christmas. So I just bought a new rug to freshen things up, and it's just from Target. I'll have it linked below. It's one of my favorites. I love the fringe, and I love the not so like in your face plaid, but it's still plaid. So check that out in the link below. Next up, we got some new chairs, and they needed some assembling, so I had to call in some help because I could do it, but I'd prefer him to do it. So bless his heart. Anyway, they are from the Studio McGee line at Target, and they are so pretty. I love the gray wicker. It's that plasticky wicker. It's not true wicker, so it will withstand all of our climates here in Idaho: the snow, the wind, the rain, and the snow and the wind and the rain, because we get a lot of that. What I love most is you got 2 chairs, and they're really easy to assemble, and the cover for the seat, you can wash it, so that is a huge plus, especially for outdoor furniture. Next up, I'm just going to put them on the porch. I do have some pillows that I got at Walmart. They're not my favorite. I think that these chairs need bigger full-size pillows instead of lumbar pillows. But I don't know about you guys, but I am having the hardest time finding outdoor pillows this season. It seems like they're all sold out already, and I'm like, it's just the beginning of the season, but I guess that's what you get for waiting until the season is here. But for now, they're gonna do. I think they will look really cute on my patio furniture in the back. I will show that to you in another video. But I'm gonna leave them on here for now until I can find something different. If you've been around a while, you have seen me use this stump all over my house, but it actually is meant for outdoor, and so I'm finally getting used to outdoor, and I think it looks really good with those chairs. It's the perfect height to set your drink on and enjoy the patio. I've been going back and forth whether I want to do a wreath or this basket, and today I decided I'm just going to live with the basket for a while. I love that scalloped basket. I have 2 of them, one in my house and now one on my front door. And then the white stems are just from Hobby Lobby. And then for the 4th of July, I tied this red and white striped ribbon on it, and I think it's so cute. But the wind is absolutely terrible today, if you can't tell. So it doesn't look that great, but it will when it's not windy. you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I am going to be decorating for the 4th of July very soon, so you might see this porch again. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.